Hey there, banking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to activate your Zenith Bank ATM card using USSD in 2025. If you've just gotten a new card or need a quick refresh, this guide is perfect for you. It's fast, secure, and can be done right from your phone without visiting a branch. First off, what's USSD? It's a simple service that lets you access banking features via a code on your mobile phone. No app needed, just your phone's dialer. For Zenith Bank in 2025, the process is even more user-friendly with enhanced security features. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Grab your phone and ensure you're using a network that supports USSD, most do. Dial the Zenith Bank USSD code, which is *966# for Zenith users. Once you hit that, you'll see a menu pop up on your screen. Step 2. From the menu, select the option for card services or ATM activation. It might be something like 1 for account services and then 2 for card activation. Enter your ATM card number when prompted. Make sure you have it handy. Step 3. Next, you'll be asked to create or enter a PIN for your card. Choose a strong, memorable PIN. Maybe something with numbers and letters if supported. Confirm it when asked to avoid any errors. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This could involve entering your account details or a one-time PIN sent via SMS. Once verified, confirm the activation. And just like that, you're done. You'll get a success message, and your card will be ready to use at ATMs or for transactions. Remember, always keep your PIN secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. There you have it, a quick, hassle-free way to activate your Zenith Bank ATM card in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.